डिक्टेशन शुरू होता है अब। द विग वैंग theory is an effort to explain what happened at the very beginning of our universe. Discoveries in astronomy and physics have shown beyond a reasonable doubt that our universe did in fact have a beginning prior to that moment. There was nothing during and after that moment. There was something. Our universe. The Big Bang theory is an effort to explain what happened during and after that moment. According to the standard theory, our universe sprang into existence as singularity around 13.7 billion years ago. Singularities are zones which defy our current understanding of physics. They are thought to exist at the core of black holes. Black holes are areas of intense gravitational pressure. The pressure is thought to be so intense that finite matter is actually squeezed into infinite density. These zones of infinite density are called singularities. Our universe is thought to have begun as an infinite, infinite similarly small, infinitely hot, and infinitely dense. After its initial appearance. It apparently inflated, expanded, and cooled, going from very, very small and very, very hot to the size and temperature of our current universe. It continues to expand and cool to this day, and we are inside of it. Incredible creatures living on a unique planet, circling a beautiful star clustered together with several hundred billion other stars in a galaxy soaring through the cosmos, all of which is inside of an expanding universe that began as an infinite singularities which appeared out of nowhere for reasons unknown. This is the Big Bang theory. There are many misconceptions surrounding the Big Bang theory, as in we tend to imagine a giant explosion. Experts, however, say that there was no explosion. There was an expansion which continues even today, rather than imagining a balloon pooping and releasing its contents. Imagine a balloon expanding and infinite. Similarly, a small balloon expanding to the size of our current universe. Another Misconception is that we tend to image the singularities as a little firewall appearing somewhere in space. According to the many experts, however, space did not exist prior to the Big Bang. Back in the late 60s and early 70s, when man first walked upon the moon, three British astrophysicists, Stephen Hawking, George Ellis, and Roger Penrose, turned their attention to the theory or theory of relativity and its implications regarding our notions of time. In 1968 and 1970, they published papers in which they extended Einstein's theory of general relativity to include measurements of time and space. According to their calculations, time and space had a finite beginning that corresponded to the origin of matter and energy. The singularity did not appear in space. Radar space began inside of the singularity prior to the singularity. Nothing existed. Full stop.